Okay, so we need to find the difference between the 2 points. So if we graph the 2 points, 1, 3, and then the other point was -3, 7, we need to figure out what this distance is right here. So there is a formula called the distance formula, and we need to subtract the x's. So 1 and -3 need to be subtracted, and then we have a 3, the y's need to be subtracted. So here we have 4 to the second power, which is 16, and 3 minus 7, that is -4, to the second power is also 16, all under the radical. So 16 plus 16 is radical 32. So we could enter that into our calculator, and we would get about, to the hundredths place, 5.66. And then we are asked to simplify our answer, leave it in exact simplified form. So the square root of 32, I know that 16 times 2 is 32, so we would get 4 radical 2. Alrighty. And then the Pythagorean Theorem here is used for any right triangle. So A and B does not matter, but C always has to be the length that is diagonal from the right angle. So we don't know what A is, but we know that B is 8 and C is 10. So now we're going to simplify. 8 squared is 64. 10 squared is 100. And we know that we need to use the square root property, we need to isolate the a squared. And since we have an exponent of a 2, we know to cancel it out that these need to be the same here. So we need a square root on both sides. This is going to cancel, leaving a equals 6. So 6 centimeters.